Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini Live on your desktop. First, open any browser on your PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type Google AI Studio. Press Enter. From the search results, click on the first link. It will take you to the official website of Google AI Studio. When you are on the website, look at the left side of the screen. You will see a menu with different options. Find and click on Playground. Inside Playground, look for the Real-Time option. Click on Real-Time. This is where you can access Gemini Live features on desktop. You can select the model in two different ways. The first way is directly inside the Real-Time section. You will see a model selector there. Click on it and choose a Gemini model that supports live interaction. The second way is from the top right corner of the screen. Click on the model name shown there. Then go to the Live tab and select the same Gemini model from that list. Both methods work the same, so you can choose whichever is easier for you. Once the model is selected, you will see three options on your screen. The first option is Talk. This lets you speak directly to Gemini using your microphone. The second option is Webcam. This allows Gemini to see through your camera. The third option is Share Screen. This allows you to share your screen so Gemini can see what you are working on. Choose the option you want, allow the necessary permissions, and start your live session with Gemini. Thanks for watching.